Okay, today I was about to leave because it's Friday, but the Leonardo pins came in, and these are some exciting ones because this is a collaboration between, one of your most well-loved Italian pin makers, Leonardo Officina Italiana, and the also very well-known and well-loved Jonathan Brooks. He is, if you have seen a bunch of really beautiful vivid resins out there on some of the pins lately, a lot of them are made by Brooks. And this is a collaboration between the two of them. Ooh. Okay, we've got two colors. This one is going to be, I'm not letting you see it yet. I haven't seen it yet either. It's very exciting. Okay, it's a Momento Zero Grande, and it is a piston filler. And you've got your information like normal. And this is the mother of pearl. Let's get a good look at it. So pretty. Okay, it comes with a little tag here with the Leonardo logo. I'm going to pull that off and set it in here. You also get, just so I can get the box out of the way, you also get a full-size bottle of Leonardo ink, which so many of you really liked this ink. It went away for a little while, but we brought it back because we had a lot of requests for it. It's a really nice box. I know you guys don't really care about the box right now. You don't see the pins, but I love this little insert right here. Okay, so you've got the familiar Momento Zero Grande shape with the slightly coned end, the two thin rings around that center band, and that geometric art design is inspired by ancient Greek civilization. I believe between 700 and 900 BC, that was when that style of art was prevalent. And then under the cap, you have another band here, and then another band at the bottom of the barrel, above your piston knob. So this one is the mother of pearl, and it is the Brooks resin, and it's paired with the palladium trim. Also, these are limited to 280 pieces for each color, and every pin is going to be unique, because every pin resin material is going to be different. So depending on the piece of material used to create the pin, it'll be different variations of the colors and different placements. Just makes it more fun. So that threaded cap just came off. We'll get a look at the nib here. And these pins are fitted with 14 karat gold nibs. It's noted right there on the nib, actually, 14 karat. And then Leonardo branding is also there. And you also have a black Japanese ebonite feed that's made in the Leonardo workshops. And I believe I already mentioned that you have a piston filler here, so you operate the piston mechanism using the piston knob here at the back. Okay, so that is your first new Momento Zero Grande Brooks resin fountain pen, mother of pearl with palladium trim. Let's get a look at the second. Okay, here is color number 2, again with the awesome information. I just want to see, it's also black, so maybe all of them come with black ink. I do like that it's a full-size bottle of ink, 40 milliliters. This I wasn't sure what to classify it as. It's called warm tones, but when I was classifying it, what color it was on the site, so that you can look up your pen choices by color if you want, I wasn't sure if I should call it orange or red. I want there to be an option called fiery, but it's the warm tones with gold trim, and it has the same Momento Zero Grande pin design that you already know and love, and that we already just ran through. But I do really like the look of that geometric art design, and the gold against that red. It's really pretty. Oh, and then on the back here will be your number. Oh, and specifically for these pens, they're boxed randomly. The numbers are not issued on the outside of the box, as far as I could tell. And so I went ahead and noted in the listings that we can't take special requests regarding the number of the pin. But they are each limited to 280 pieces. And last time we had some Brooks resin Leonardo's in stock, they went so fast. So just a heads up. The nibs are 14 karat gold, and both they're plated to match their trim. All right, so I was looking forward to receiving these. I hope you guys are excited to see them. I'm gonna do a quick edit on this and get it up so you guys can get a good look at these. But if you want to grab one of these before they're gone, or just get more information, visit pinchley.com.